It's safe to say that Sarah and Hayden weren't expecting to find their happily ever after when they individually booked on a Kentucky tour to Europe in 2019.
What started as a holiday connection quickly turned into something much more.
I've been told by those that were Hayden that when Sarah first laid eyes on Hayden, she was blown away by his ruggish looks, his chiselled jaw, and his Prince Charming-like charisma. And it will come as absolutely no surprise that when Hayden first laid eyes on Sarah, his first thoughts were, oh, hubba hubba.
We all know the reputation of a Kentucky tour and why people go. Sarah did not disappoint.
But going through Europe on a Kentucky and travelling the most romantic places in the world, like Paris, Swiss Alps, the coastlines of Spain, many places that most people think of when you fall in love. And with all that to choose from, Hayden decided to make his move behind a skip bin in a car park in London.
Hayden, it's been 711 days since you got down on one knee and asked me to marry you. Thank you for taking a chance on the girl you met on Kentucky. I am truly the luckiest girl in the world because of it. See you at the end of the aisle. I'll be the one wearing the white dress. Love you, Nugs. Soon to be wife, Sarah.
Sarah, hours will pass and you and I will step into the next chapter of our amazing and unique love story. You are my world. I just can't wait to see you in a few hours.
This is the hard part. From me to you, sweetheart, I love you more than words can express. You will always be my little sea bear that I used to carry on my shoulders and splash around in that little plastic swimming pool. No matter where life takes you, you will always be in my thoughts and I will always be here for you.
Oh my God, look at you. You're a princess.
Sarah, quite simply, I love you. I can promise that whatever comes, we'll face it stronger together. I promise to always put us first, to be your biggest fan, captured audience, and staunchest defender. I promise to be your huge hunk of spunk because you are my foxy lady.
Your carpe diem approach to life has made mine so much richer. I didn't know how good life could get until I met you. I vowed to never go a day without saying I love you, to always be a team, to choose you, choose us when times get tough, and to never take you for granted.
Let's start making some noise and welcome for the first time as husband and wife, Hayden and Sarah.